Welcome to STEAM Explorer Snippets. Today we're going to be learning about how different colors absorb light and heat. Hi, welcome to STEAM Explorer Snippets. Today we're going to be talking about how different colors absorb different amounts of light and heat. But first, let's ask, what is color? White light contains all of the colors. When light shines on something, some of the light wavelengths are absorbed and some are reflected back. The ones that are reflected are the colors that we see, and to us that's what an object looks like. So this line looks like it's red because the red light is being reflected, but it's absorbing all of the other colors. When something looks black to us, it's absorbing all of the light and heat radiation, and none of it's being reflected back. When something looks white, all of the light is being reflected back to us, and none of it's being absorbed. What does it mean when we say a certain color absorbs light and heat? Let's remember to use the scientific method. So our question is, which colors absorb the most light and heat? We could come up with a hypothesis, and then let's think of an experiment we could do that would prove that. Here's something we could do. We could put 4 different colors of paper outside and put an ice cube on each one. We could see which ice cube melts fastest, and maybe then that would mean that that paper was the one that absorbed the most light and heat. So what we're going to do is take 4 pieces of construction paper that you have in your packet, or you can just cut them out at home. And we're going to put them outside with an ice cube on each one. The ice cube should be as close to the same size as you could possibly get them, okay? You don't have to weigh them or measure them, but kind of eyeball them to make sure that one isn't cracked in half the size of the others. Here are the 4 colors that I have: black, green, white, and yellow. Put them outside somewhere where it's sunny, but not on a day when it's too windy. We don't want the papers to blow away. And here they are with an ice cube on each color. Here they are 10 minutes later. The wind actually blew the white paper and made the melted water run a little bit. This is what they look like 20 minutes later. I took this picture closer so that you could see better. The ice cube on the black paper melted before the one on the green paper. And this picture shows that the ice cube on the white paper melted less than the ones on the green paper or the yellow paper. Did you get the same result? If not, there might be other reasons why the ice cubes melted at different rates. Maybe they weren't exactly the same size. Maybe one was actually in a warmer spot. There's lots of different reasons why our experiments don't always come out the way we think they should. But one thing that we know is that darker colors absorb more light and heat, which is why now that we're getting into the warmer weather, people wear lighter clothes like white shirts and light color shirts to stay cooler. I hope you had a good time doing this and that you learned something about light and heat.